Hi everyone, this is Vinny from Excel Distance Calculators, the home of extremely easy to use Excel tools. Today I'm excited to show you a powerful tool that makes it simple to sort addresses by proximity to location directly in Excel. If you have ever needed to figure out which locations are closest to a specific address, this tool will be a game changer for you. Our tools have already helped simplify the work of more than 7,500 happy customers across many industries. Each week, we receive emails from users who tell us how much time and stress they save by using our tools. With more than 140 Google reviews, most of them 5-star ratings, you can see how much our solutions have helped people in their daily work. Now, let us talk about the problem we are solving. Imagine you have a target address, maybe a customer's home or office, and you want to know which of your locations or service providers are closest to them. In this example, we will use zip code 33030 for Miami, Florida, and we will find out which employees are within, let's say, 30 miles of this location. On the first tab, which I named Employees, I have a list of service providers with their addresses. Now let's go back to the main sheet. After I input the customer address and set the distance range to 30 miles, I just click the Calculate button, and the tool does everything for me. It calculates the distance from each employee to the customer location and sorts the results from nearest to farthest. Also, the tool gives me the option to see either straight-line distances or actual driving distances, depending on what works best for me. In seconds, I know exactly which employees are within the 30-mile range. It really is as easy as that. If this tool can help you, the download link is in the description below. If you need something customized or have special requirements, please contact us. My phone number and email are also in the description, and you can chat with me directly on our website, www.exceldistancecalculators.com. Thank you for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so you do not miss any of our latest tools. Until next time, happy calculating.